Maintaining a healthy diet can be challenging, especially when it comes to choosing foods that are low in carbs and sugar. Carbohydrates and sugar are two of the most common components found in many of the foods we eat, and consuming too much of them can lead to weight gain, blood sugar imbalances, and other health problems. However, there are many healthy foods available that are both low in carbs and free from sugar. In this video, we will discuss the top 10 foods with zero carbs and sugar that can be easily incorporated into a healthy diet. Eggs. Eggs are a nutrient-dense food that contains no carbohydrates or sugar. They are a great source of protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals. Avocado. Avocados are a low-carb fruit that is high in fiber, healthy fats, and potassium. They are also free from sugar and can be enjoyed in a variety of dishes. Salmon. Salmon is a high-protein fish that is low in carbs and sugar. It is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation and promote heart health. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a low-carb vegetable that is also free from sugar. It is high in fiber, vitamin C, and other essential nutrients, and can be used in a variety of dishes as a low-carb substitute for rice or potatoes. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that is low in carbs and sugar. It is also rich in iron, calcium, and other essential vitamins and minerals. Broccoli. Broccoli is another low-carb vegetable that is free from sugar. It is high in fiber, vitamin C, and other essential nutrients, and can be used in a variety of dishes as a low-carb substitute for rice or potatoes. Cheese. Cheese is a low-carb food that is free from sugar. It is a good source of protein and calcium, and can be enjoyed as a snack or added to a variety of dishes. Almonds. Almonds are a low-carb nut that is free from sugar. They are high in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, and can be enjoyed as a snack or added to a variety of dishes. Chicken. Chicken is a low-carb protein source that is free from sugar. It is also a good source of essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B6 and niacin. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a low-carb cooking oil that is free from sugar. It is high in healthy saturated fats, which can help boost energy levels and promote weight loss. In conclusion, incorporating these top 10 foods with zero carbs and sugar into your diet can help you maintain a healthy weight, reduce your risk of chronic diseases, and promote overall health and wellness. By choosing these healthy and nutritious foods, you can enjoy a wide range of flavors and textures without sacrificing your health.